in front of Nate's house playing with his truck, and he brags about this thing being able to flip it over. What do you call it?
It's a standing backflip.
Standing backflip. So what? So I guess that's what that was. Some scraping there, dude.
That's the body. I can't keep a wheelie bar in this thing to save my life. It tears it up.
Okay, do a standing backflip right in front of me here. Okay.
Body.
Oop. Okay,
Alright, the body's coming off.
okay, get here right in front of me. Okay, take the body off. Take your body off.
Yeah, this poor thing's been through it also.
We were out here the other night, and this thing worked pretty good.
I messed that
Oh,
up.
yep.
Batteries might be going too.
The other night, he was doing real good with these things. He was pretty consistent.
That's proof of torque there. Here, this one won't even be standing. You want to let me play with her a little bit more? What? Hello. I figured now.
That's a wheelie stand.
Yep, that's the way to destroy a back bumper.
Nope.
Not enough.
Shiny side down.
Yeah. There's no shiny side on it right now.
Well, you're doing real good.
Jacob, get back here.
You were doing fine when you weren't on camera.
Don't run out into the road.
Would you helping me?
No, he can get it.
I got it.
It sucks without that wheelie bar on there. It's so torquey. When I wheelie up, it'll snap the wheelie bar off.
You probably batteries.
Yeah, it's a little low. That's why I suggested I play with it a little bit.
I was helping.
Right on.
Hello, gorgeous. I had to do that. Got these two ugly guys out there. And okay, I probably ought to kill this before you embarrass yourself too much.
Well, it's just there's no back end up. Too much. It's just...
Cartwheel.
Go ahead, buddy. Go ahead, Jacob. Flip it over. Can't get 3 feet without flipping that thing on the roof. Well, I'm trying to get just the right throttle and with the batteries kind of going down. That's what it is. Batteries going low. It's just losing punch. That's why I wasn't doing the backflip like I was. Go get it.
All right, I'm gonna kill it.
All right.